So today, we're at the Payneham Library running Headset Heroes for the city of Norwood, Payneham and St. Peter's. We've got a full day of the students getting to play with VR headsets, learning how to design and develop their very own VR games, how to do custom 3D modeling, and then creating VR experiences that demonstrate solutions to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals.
For my sustainability project, I created an animal park for animals. This was to demonstrate conserving life on land. And when I found out that there was a VR course on, I really wanted to go. So I was like, it's coding, I can do in VR. Like, well, that's a good idea.
And at the end of the day, the students were delighted to have their friends and family come in and experience their VR creations. We had an absolute blast running Headset Heroes with the city of Norwood, Payneham and St. Peter's, and we can't wait for the next one.